Hello everyone, this is Scott Brown with PTEN Magazine, and we're here at AAPEX SEMA 2025 in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here with Fabio and Chris from TEXA here, and I understand you guys got another PTEN award, Innovation Award, and you got two of them this year. One for the forming gas, that's the AC leak detection, which is actually really cool because, in the old days, people would just recharge the system and then go around trying to find leaks. Well, you get a system that's empty or very low, you can easily discharge it with a forming gas and then use this awesome leak detector to go through the system without wasting any refrigerant. So that's a great tool.
That's correct.
And then the other award was for the IDC 6 and the AI integration with the heavy duty software. Very cool. The AI software is bringing more information to the technician during diagnostics and allowing them to streamline their operation and get down to the nitty-gritty when it comes to trying to repair the automobile. So great work. All right, and when it comes to diagnostics, you get a car that comes in and has a ton of fault codes in it. TEXA's AI is helping the technician streamline some of this and make sense of where to go, what to prioritize, but they're providing some additional content or context around this using their AI from their own data sets. This isn't just public information, this is TEXA's data sets that help the technician get more informed about what they're dealing with, so then when they go back to the car to address the actual fault, they're more likely to end up with a positive outlook. So that's really great. Now, the other thing that TEXA is always doing is looking out for the technician and keeping them productive as possible. And this is why you want to always keep your tooling up to date. In fact, we have some new updates coming out to support the secure gateways on multiple vehicles out there. And with the updates, it will help the technician gain access to those secure gateways so that they can continue their workflow and stay productive. So the really cool thing here is that TEXA is really focused on bringing the most actionable, useful information to the technician so that they can stay productive. For instance, we've got multiple DTCs, and they can select a DTC and get additional AI information to help them understand more about what they're dealing with. And a lot of this data is sourced through solved problems from the marketplace and keeping those technicians up to date. The other thing is that we need to stay informed on how to actually use some of this technology, right? So, because there's a lot happening, a lot coming at us, and you're providing a lot of that training to help those technicians stay up to date and stay highly proficient with the tooling. So we are working on advanced vehicles that are very complex. TEXA's helping us streamline that operation and keeping us successful. And the other thing that you guys are providing is training, continuing education. You're the trainer, and you're providing training not only on the device, but also helping technicians understand how the systems work and how to get down to the end of the problem.